My name is Sam, and I am working on an app called Lami. Lami is an app for music students and music teachers and for the studio to communicate with each other and to enhance their lessons and their practices. Last time I have introduced the teacher's app side, and today I would like to show the student side. As you can see from this home dashboard, we have this to-do list for the users, for the students. This is generated by AI daily lists based on the lesson notes and lesson homeworks that they have created either manually or from the analysis. So the student can have their own personal workspace where they can practice on their own, upload their videos and to analyze and to practice. Or if they are invited to their teacher's workspace, they can go into their workspace that is shared by the teacher and see the homework for the class or the notes for the class, and they can also be in other participating in other teachers' lesson. So for example, they could be in part of violin and be part of piano, and they can be in like a chamber group. This is just displaying all the other workspaces they can be part of. So if you go back to my workspace, the other features are basically the same throughout, but the most different part that differentiates between the teacher's app and the student's app is this analysis and the practice workspace. If you remember from the last video, for the teachers, it's mainly to record the lesson and transcribe, and that would transcribe into the lesson notes and lesson homework. Whereas for this one, they analyze and practice. So if you go on page, this is where they can upload their video and ask the AI to analyze their playing and give feedbacks. So this is an example of my daughter playing violin. The AI has made some comments in different perspectives like technique, rhythm, intonation, and pitch, and some observations over here that they made some comments based on this time frame. And one thing to note from here is that the AI also includes some link to the YouTube if there is any. So if you click on this one, it will go into the YouTube video that they can watch and learn. And the practice tests are here. They could be generated, and then you would see them in the notes and the homework section. So that's the analysis. And if you go into the practice, over here there's tuner, metronome, and the looper. Looper is something that I've created recently, that added the feature recently. So if you add, you could see it over and over again for practice. This is something that my wife and my daughter actually use. So I thought it would be really nice to add it to the app. So let's just go over here, open the drawer, and as you can see over here, it says to play the loop, select the entry point, and select the end point over here, and then now the loop is on. So if you start, it will play for 5 seconds. And what's good about this is that even if you go slower and faster, the pitch doesn't change. So if you watch the YouTube videos, like if you make it slower or faster, the pitch of the video is actually goes off. So this is really nice that the pitch actually stays the same. Okay, and now let's go back to the app. I forgot to show you about this one, like how to actually upload. So the instrument would be, in my case, would be violin. It's an app upload. Let's just try to upload a video of daughter. And this would actually choose, you'll be able to choose either from the list from the music score, the list of music score that you have uploaded, or you could just type in. This is optional. The one reason I added this feature is so that the AI's generation and AI summary will be much geared toward the actual playing, so that they don't randomly go search and make a summarization. If the student is actually playing scherzo, then the AI will go through the list of scherzos and try to give some actual accurate feedbacks. So that's what this was. I think I think that is it for the students. All the other features are basically the same from the teacher. Let's say like the billings and invoices. They would receive the invoices from the teacher. If they pay now, they will be able to add the card, and there is some option where they can pay by Zelle, Venmo. Let me see. I think maybe they need to actually add the card. Yeah. I think that's it. So that's it from the student side. I think the next time we'll try to wrap up what we are working on for the studio side and try to demo it. Thank you.